Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to go through the process of adding subjects. So right in your dashboard, you can click on Add here, Add, and then you have all of these options here. Select class subjects. So we're going to select the class and then we're going to add the subject we want. For instance, let's go to Junior Secondary 1. We select all class arms just in case you have multiple class arms and you want to add the same subject to all the class arms, because students in JS1 need to do the same subjects. You select all, then term is also all. Okay, there are 3 terms: first term, second term, and third term. We select all. Now down here you can see JS1 subjects. There are no subjects here for now, so you click on add subject and you can add subjects individually. You can also add subjects from templates, or you can bulk import subjects. If you click on bulk import subjects, you will have to download the Excel template, fill in the subjects, and when you have done that, you click on select, you upload, and you import the subjects list. That's just it. The same way you did for teachers, right? Remember, we bulk uploaded teachers. The same is just the same process. Okay, so we're going to go back to our dashboard and add subjects. You select the class JS1, class arm all, term all, and then click on add subjects. You can add individual subjects like I said earlier, and let me show you how you do that. The subject name, for instance, mathematics. We already have mathematics, right, in the system. You select for which class. This is JS1, maybe JS2 as well, JS3 as well, right? Then you can select the teacher in charge. You select the assistant teacher if there is. If there is no assistant teacher, you can just leave it blank. Then the full marks obtainable 10. The pass mark, you can set the pass mark. Then you have an option here: is it prerequisite to pass? You can just leave it as is, and you can click on this button to save. Okay, you can close that. Now the last step is to add subjects from templates, and we're going to select that now. And when we've done that, you can see all the subjects that are available, down here. And we can just select the subject we want: agricultural science, arts, basic electronics, basic technology, basic science. They don't do biology in junior secondary. So business studies, I believe, civic education, Christian religious studies, computer studies, economics, English. Okay, let's look for mathematics. We can come up here and search maths. You can see mathematics here. We select that, and that's it. For now, let's just click on action unselected, add to classes. Look at all the subjects we selected, about 12 of them. Add to classes. We can now select, we want JS1, we want JS2, we want JS3. Okay, and then you can add subjects. For class arm, all. Okay, subject type, there are options here. You see core, elective, general, science, art, and all of that. We leave it at default, and except for whatever reason you want to select any other option, right, we leave it at default, and then add subjects. Now these subjects have been successfully added. You can close now, And if you go to class subjects, you can see so you can see here that we have 36 subjects already added. If you come to academics, click on subjects, you can see JS1. Look at all the subjects on JS1 now, right? If you were to select JS2, you would see the subjects that have been assigned to JS2 as well. Now, if we were to check, let me say SS1, we've not done anything there. So there will be no subjects. Can you see that? That brings us to the end of this video. I've shown us how to add subjects to classes, individual classes or multiple classes at once. As you can see, we added for JS1, JS2, and JS3. Okay, that brings us to the end of this video. See you on the next one.